So if you've been attracting unqualified leads that do not buy easily, that do not pay premium even when they buy, and that need to think about it a lot and that it's not the right time for them, this is going to be the topic of today's video. Now, I've been fortunate enough to generate $17,600 from one client paying me another $9,900 for another client, another $10,600 approximately from another client, all directly from my content. So I am used to getting people that pay me premium to work with me. And even what's cool about it is once I ran a test to show people like I had a $600 product per month and I had a $2,000 per month product, and the majority of my audience took the $2,000 product per month. So today I actually want to walk us through two very simple, very easy things that you can directly implement into your content in order to make your content more appealing to higher quality leads, to higher quality prospects. So they could come into your world, they could buy from you, and you could make much more money, which is something that I love because money is the lifeblood of business, but it's also the lifeblood of life if you want to really enjoy it. Now, before we dive into those two lessons, I want to give you two very big insights, which goes against a lot of the market and what the market said. The first insight that I want to talk about is that no, it's not an offer problem. Now, for many reasons, I'm saying that it's not an offer problem. But one of the very simple reasons is that I had a client who paid me $17,000, one of the clients that paid me $17,000 to work with me, who didn't see my offer. Who didn't see my offer. He saw my content. He liked my content. He liked what I was talking about in the content. And then he came in and he bought from me. So it's not really an offer problem. Offer, usually, this is like if you don't see it as a picture in front of you, you won't understand. So first you have traffic. Then you have nurture. Then you have conversion. And then you have two other things that I'm not going to talk about. So traffic, nurture, conversion. This is where people see your offer usually. Like this is where people see your offer. So people have to go through phase one, they have to go through phase two, and in phase three, they see your offer. So if you're attracting the wrong quality leads, it's always within phase one and within phase two. Phase three is already down the line. Know what I mean? So it's not an offer problem fundamentally. And the second thing that a lot of people say, it's like, maybe it's my price. So maybe it's the problem of price. And I want to tell you like a very simple thing. If you look at any economy in the world, every economy, every society, every niche, every market has three levels of people. It has the high earners, it has the medium earners, and it has the low earners. Fundamentally, every part of society has high earners, medium earners, low earners, fundamentally, without a fail. So if every part of society has medium and high and low earners, okay, if you are attracting the low or the medium earners, that means you're speaking to the low or the medium earners, and we need to change the way that we're speaking in order to speak to the high earners. That's it. That's fundamentally pretty much it. So no, it's not your price, because your price is not the problem. It's who you are attracting, is who you are speaking with. So let me remove this and we get the ball rolling pretty much. So if we now understand that the problem is that who we are speaking with and who we are attracting, then the first most important part, by the way, I told you it's like kind of two secrets. The first secret or the first realization that you need to understand and you need to implement is that content is signals. And you attract what you signal. That's fundamentally what content is all about. Content is signal, and you attract what you signal. So if you're attracting low quality prospects, that means because you're signaling to low quality prospects versus wanting to signal to high quality prospects. So in a second, I'll dive into it, but first let me take a sip of coffee. If you don't know me, I'm a coffee addict. I love coffee. The best gifts in the world for me are coffee. So, welcome to my world. Welcome to my coffee world. So, if every niche has people that can afford you, people that need to stretch themselves to afford you, and people who can never afford you, so can afford you, stretch themselves, and can never afford you, that means you have people that will easily pay you. That is for the first belief that you need to fundamentally change. By the way, I'm really dialing this down because if you don't change the belief, it's going to be very hard to actually implement what I'm going to tell you right now. Because beliefs are what creates reality at the end of the day. We can talk strategy as much as you want, but beliefs create reality. So if you believe something else and you implement the strategy right now, you're not going to get the results. But you have to match the belief with the strategy. So, what is the difference between signaling to low quality people versus high quality people? Low quality people, they want to be saved. Low quality people, they want motivation. Low quality people, they want to figure things out. Low quality people, they want to get out of struggle. Low quality people, they want to get out of pain. That's low quality people. Okay? Now you can go and take a look at your content. Does your content elicit a lot of pain, a lot of struggle, a lot of 17 tips for you to achieve whatever it is, which falls under motivation? Does your content give people a new strategy to figure something sexy out? Or does your content gives people, so the high quality people, they want to win. They're ruthless, they're relentless, they want to win. So does your content give people a competitive edge? High quality people don't want to be saved. They don't want to figure it out. They want a competitive edge. They want to win. High quality people want leverage. High quality people are driven by results, stats, figures. That's what high quality people are driven. High quality people are driven by optimization. So let me give you actually a very simple example to make a clear difference. And I'm gonna read it here. One second, let me find it because I don't have a very like I don't memorize stuff. So in mindset, let's take a very popular niche, which is mindset. Struggle or low quality people, here's what they resonate with. If you're feeling stuck and overwhelmed, you need to shift your mindset so you can finally break free from limiting belief. That's what low quality people would resonate with. Here's what high quality people within the same niche, mindset niche, would resonate with. If you're ready to unlock the next level of mental clarity and performance, see the difference in messaging? The first one, if you're feeling stuck and overwhelmed, which is people who want to be saved, people who want motivation, people who are struggling, people who are in pain. That's the first message. Versus the second message, which is if you're ready to unlock the next level, so they want to win, they want a competitive edge of and having mental clarity and performance, so they want results and they want to optimize. That's the first very basic, very easy thing that you can implement right now to your content to attract higher quality prospects. Stop talking so much about pain. Stop making people feel like I'm in so much pain, I'm in such a bad situation right now, and start talking about possibility. Change your messaging from pain to possibility. That's the first thing that you need to do in order to generate higher quality, empowered prospects. And now for the second thing. And the second thing is what I wish someone told me much sooner and much earlier within my journey in business. It would have saved me so much time, so much effort, so much money, and figuring things out fundamentally. Number two is that the best people are attracted not to the best solutions. So the best people are attracted to the best personalities, not to the best solutions. The best people are attracted to the best personalities, not to the best solutions. Keep that in mind. And let me prove it to you. I have one of my clients who he is a leader in the hypnotherapy space. He has trained and coached other leaders within the hypnotherapy space. Now they went out and they surpassed him in results, in business growth, in clients, in impact, in everything. And well, he trained them. His solution is much better than their solution. His knowledge is much vaster than their knowledge. So, what is the difference? It's because he didn't position himself to become attractive. So, he didn't focus on himself to become attractive. All that he focused on was his solution. I am the best at this, I am the best at that, but he didn't look at himself. He didn't fix himself. He didn't take care of himself to become attractive himself. And this is the most important thing. We see people nowadays with large following, with attractive personalities who go on to make millions of dollars and scale businesses effortlessly, even though their solution is just like every other solution in the market. And we see people with PhDs, experts, with thousands of clients served, who struggle to charge high ticket and who struggle to make millions of dollars, pretty much. And exactly like this is a big problem for a lot of people because, for example, the hypnotherapy coach that I gave you the example of, he has served one-off sessions over 300 people, one-on-one sessions that paid him 300, 400 bucks for his sessions, approximately. Sometimes $100 for his sessions. He has served over 300 people, but when it comes for people to pay him three, four, $5,000, he struggled. Why? It's exactly because of that. People buy into people before they buy into solutions. People buy into people before they buy into solutions. So people invest in people before solutions. And this is because of multiple reasons, but basically, people love status. So, by being associated with someone who has high status, they will feel that they have high status, fundamentally. So, one of the core focus points in your work is, of course, make your solution so good that it cannot be denied, but also learn how to increase your status, how to change the context around your brand and around what you do to increase and to level up your status. Because so many people, one second, sorry, I had a notification from my personal performance tracker. So many people buy in other people because of status. Nothing more, nothing less. People buy attractive personalities, whether you like it or not. So, the two things that you need to do in order to really start attracting higher quality people who pay you thousands of dollars to work with you. One is content signals. Start signaling to the higher end of your market. Two, build up your attractive personality. Personality. I know that you don't understand my calligraphy, but I was going to become a doctor, fundamentally. That's it. Now, there are many different things that you can do, smaller nuances to make that happen. But this is basically the 20% that will get you 80% of the results every single time without fail. Build up your attractive personality. Start signaling in your content to higher level prospects, and you will win. And you will make money. That's it. It's as simple as that. Sounds good? Now, if you have more questions, please drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll take time to answer each and every single one of your comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Bye bye.